Hey lawyers, I'm out here on my deck in Sausalito, California, and I'm going to talk about marketing today. I'm a little bit lazy about being inside. I'm doing professional filming. There's my dog Winnie. Anyway, last week I talked about the 3 top ways that you get clients, and they get progressively a little bit harder as you go. The top one is, of course, referrals. And the second one is if somebody fills out a form on your website, and your website has the right kind of language, the right copy on there, then they can weed themselves out if they're not a good client. And the third, which is a little bit harder, is advertising. Because advertising, you need to weed out the clients that aren't good clients, and you also need to help them to self-select as a qualified client for you. I think that you should have all 3 of those things going all the time. Just like when a client retains you, you send them something that says, I can't guarantee that this is going to actually work, you know? But with your experience, after looking at what all the parts of the case is, then you're going to say, I think I can win this case, so I'll take it. You don't have to take every case, obviously, but some cases are going to be easier to win and more obvious of a slam dunk than others. And it's the same way with marketing. Here's 5 reasons that experience matters when you're looking to bring in clients from advertising. Someone experienced is going to know how long you're going to need to stay in the game. They're going to understand how much budget you're going to need in order to, plan to get clients from this work. They're going to know what media and content you're going to need to be posting for that advertising, what's the tone of it. And they're also going to understand that you're going to need to track and correspond with potential leads and just exactly how to do that at the cheapest price and the most effective way to do it. And then lastly, they're going to know how long it usually takes for those people to actually turn into really good qualified clients. If you're interested in that, give me a call. Otherwise, I hope this video has been slightly informative and a little bit helpful. All right, happy summer.